Welcome to one of our videos today. What we are doing today is that you want to make a rattan log table. So we start by cutting the timber and then we lathe it, as you can see. Yeah, so this is a log that we are going to use today. We are trying to attain the shape of a cylindrical kind of a shape. So as you can see, as the guy is doing. So next, take the cane and we groove it. Then we usually twine round and round as we use the staple gun.